Welcome to part 19 of the Autodesk Inventor 101 The Basics series. In this episode, we're going to take a look at using more advanced workplane creation options, specifically creating a workplane from 3 points. To start, we'll launch a new 2D sketch on the left surface of our part. Instead of drawing lines or circles like we normally do, we'll choose the point option in the Create panel and left-click to make a point on the top line of the surface and another on the bottom line of the surface. The Dimension tool works with points, so with it selected, we'll define the first point on the top line to be 2.5 inches from the back of the part, and the second point to be 3 inches from the back. After finishing this sketch, we'll create another sketch to create our third point for the workplane definition. From the top view, start the sketch and define a point to be 0.5 inches from the front of the part this time, and finish the sketch. I suppose it makes sense for me to point out that you don't need to create points to use this option. Any 3 points on your model will work, but this is a way to get your plane exactly where you want it to be. Head to the Work Features panel in the ribbon and click on the drop-down under Plane. There are a ton of helpful options here, and in the middle is the 3 points option. Left-click the 3 points that were just created and the plane will appear. From the Modify panel, choose the Split command and select the workplane just created. We're going to go with the Trim Solid command, which will delete the geometry on the other side of the plane. You can see the geometry that will be removed by the direction of the red arrow on the screen, and flip that direction under Remove in the Split command. Clicking OK will finish the command and remove the geometry. To clean up the model, go over to the model tree and turn off the visibility of the sketches and the new workplane. That's all there is to it. Join me again next time for part 20 of the Autodesk Inventor 101 The Basics series, where I'll walk you through a quick introduction to simulation in Inventor.